Hello and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. We're talking about B1, B2 visitor visas and the B1 for business, and there are actually quite a few different categories or manners in which someone can try to come in other than just, for example, visiting Disneyland. For example, the B1 for business, that has quite a few different purposes. It can be used to engage in commercial transactions not involving gainful employment. It can be used to participate in scientific, educational, professional, religious, or business conventions. Again, they're not going to be receiving gainful employment from that. They have what's called B1 in lieu of J1 or H3 or R1. These are different types of other visas, but one can come in on the B1 if it is determined, for example, B1 in lieu of R1. R1's a religious visa. So if the religious workers are coming temporarily to do missionary work, if the work does not involve selling articles or accepting of donations and so forth, that would work. And then I've already spoken in a previous one about domestic or personal servants, but specifically that would apply to anyone who is coming on someone who's been approved on an E, F, H, I, J, L, O, P, Q, R, or TN visa. There's all different kinds. You obviously have to prove the contract, and you have to show that you've worked for the employer for 1 year on an ongoing basis, and that you're not abandoning your residency and so forth. If you're a professional athlete or a golfer, or race car driver who's not receiving any salary but only tournament money, can come in on a B1. Airline employees, foreign medical student who's seeking to take an elective clerkship. You can come in if you are a member of the board of directors of a U.S. corporation coming in for a board meeting. If you're wanting to set up an E2, which is an investment type visa, but you have to open your own business, you can come in for the specific purpose of coming in to set up the U.S. subsidiary, or if you're exploring the possibility of an E2 investment, you can do that. There's various provisions for commercial truck drivers, tour bus operators, attending an executive seminar. There's racetrack personnel. So as you can see, there's a lot of different types of purposes that someone can come in on a B1. Okay, more on the coming videos.